Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things. Both you and the recipient have active YouTube accounts, and your payment method supports subscriptions. Once confirmed, open the creator's channel page and look for the Join button. This is where gift memberships appear. If you don't see a gift option, the creator may not have enabled it or region restrictions apply. Check your country settings. Next, choose the gift tier carefully because tiers determine perks. Proceed to add recipient details immediately and be ready to complete payment. Now you'll fill in recipient details and handle payment. This is the core execution. Type the recipient's email or exact YouTube username. Once you send a gift to the wrong address, reversal is difficult. Then select the tier and duration because those define the perks the recipient receives. Next, complete checkout by verifying billing address, CVV, and any two-factor authentication prompts Google requests. After payment, you'll get a confirmation. Make sure to save it and notify the recipient to check their inbox or YouTube notifications. Finish by confirming the gift delivered. Ask the recipient to check their email and YouTube notifications, since delivery usually happens within minutes. If it hasn't arrived, make sure you type the address correctly, inspect spam folders, and confirm the recipient's account has no restrictions or region blocks. If problems persist, gather your order ID and contact YouTube support for refunds or transfers. Be ready to explain what you entered and what the recipient sees. One quick tip: screenshot errors. Support often resolves faster with images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.